Ukrainian drones have caused havoc at Moscow airports for the second time in a week, grounding flights and delaying operations for hours while Russia's missile defense system took effect.
우크라이나의 드론이 러시아 수도 모스크바 일대를 공격하자 러시아의 미사일 방공 시스템이 작동해 모스크바의 주요 공항들이 일시 폐쇄됐습니다. Cause havoc.
Usually you'll see wreak havoc. That's just for some reason those go together. Cause chaos, disorder, confusion. As you can imagine. Imagine all the airports in the capital city just close down all of a sudden.
그렇죠.
There, it would be chaos.
Exactly. Cause chaos 하고 wreak havoc가 보통 많이 쓰는
But
표현인데.
cause havoc's not wrong.
That's right. 네, 이건 그 두 개를 좀 혼합한 겁니다. 그래서 여러분은 이 표현을 세 가지 다 기억하시면 좋을 것 같아요. wreak havoc, cause chaos, cause havoc. 이렇게 교차해서 쓸 수도 있는데 큰 혼란을 일으켰다는 뜻입니다. 자, 그 다음에 many flights were grounded.
As you can imagine, just by the sound of it, they weren't allowed to fly. They kept the flights on the ground.
Exactly.
They didn't, like four big airports in Moscow were closed, and like 50, how many was it? There was a whole bunch of 50 flights had been diverted even earlier in the day on Monday.
그렇죠. be grounded라고 하면은 ground가 땅이라는 의미가 있잖아요. 그러니까 이렇게 동사로 썼을 때는 땅에 붙어 있게 하다, 즉 이륙을 못하게 한다라는 의미가 되겠고요. 우리 어린이들한테도 쓸 수 있습니다. 만약에 잘못했어요, 우리 아이가. 그러면은 너 외출 금지야, 친구 못 만나, 못 나가, you're grounded. 이렇게 말할 수
Did you ever get
있습니다.
grounded when you were a kid?
I don't think so.
You didn't.
I got punished in other ways.
Goody two shoes. Oh,
No,
really?
So
Meme?
probably, yeah.
Oh, really?
Probably spanked. How about you?
All of them. No meme, but yeah, spanking,
Yeah,
grounding.
in Korea, I don't think they do grounding as much.
Yeah,
Maybe
okay.
they do now. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure corporal punishment isn't allowed as much as it was before.
Yeah, I guess
but
we shouldn't admit that we got spanked, right?
Maybe not.
No,
but anyway,
that never happened.
But yeah, I mean, punishment. It's a form of
Yes,
punishment.
right.
그래요. 이제 보통 외국에서는 이제 아이들에게 벌을 줄 때 grounding을 많이 합니다. 그래서 외출 금지. 어떤 때는 방에서 못 나오게 하기도 하고, 아니면 집에서 못 나가, 친구 못 만나게 하고, 뭐 이런 게 이제 일종의 벌이죠. 그때도 많이 쓰는 표현인데, 자 여기서는 flights were grounded.